Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is Anthony with Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and today I'm finally going to be tackling a project that I have been putting off for quite some time. I have been talking extensively over the last couple of weeks about how this area of my garden lacks summer color and how I want to put in some summer color, and I've been moving around plants trying to get the right, aesthetic, trying to get the right placement and what have you, and I think I finally got it. Now you can probably tell how interesting this and how challenging this area is and has been. It's about 12:30, 1 o'clock right now, and this area of the garden is in sun, and there's a distinctive line right here, and right behind me is in the shade. This area kind of changes throughout the season, but I think this placement is going to work. Now I'm down on my hands and knees, so forgive my wobbliness here. So what I've done is I've got some tall phlox and I've got some yarrow that I want to plant today, and I've got some ajuga that I want to plant in the front. I've also got a Miss Huff lantana, which is hardy in my zone, which I'm also going to put in here, and it smells really good. So in the back, I don't know how well you can see, but hopefully you'll be able to see later on, I've got three luminary opalescence tall phlox. They grow 30 to 32 inches tall and 24 to 28 inches wide, hardy in zones 3 to 8. And they bloom a kind of purpley color. So I've got three of those back in here. Then I've got a layer of Midnight Masquerade penstemon, which gets about 36 inches tall. And then late last year I did a video on it, and I'll link it up above. I planted three, I think they're white wands veronicas. I think they get about 3 feet tall, I'm not sure. And then my next layer down is going to be these Firefly Sunshine yarrow. They get 28 to 30 inches tall and 24 to 28 inches wide, hardy in zones 3 to 8. So I'm thinking there's going to be nice layering coming down, and then I've got some plain old ajuga in the front that I'm hoping to act as a ground cover. And as I said, behind me, which you'll see in a minute, I've got a Miss Huff lantana that gets 4 feet tall and wide. So I'm thinking this is going to be a nice, layering of color, and I'll have some summer color back in here at long last. So I'm just going to get busy planting, and we'll see how this area fills in over the course of the season. So let's do it. Alright guys, so that's it. Everything is done, planted and watered in. So let me give you a quick tour of how everything came out. Again, sorry for the harsh lighting, but you can see there down on the ground, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids are crying in the background. 5, ajugas, and I'm hoping that they fill in and take over this area and act as a really good ground cover so I don't have to weed. And then right up above it, you can see 1, 2, 3 yarrow, the firefly sunshine, which is going to bloom nice and yellow. And then right up above that, I've got the 3 white ones, Veronica, and then I've got the 3 phlox in the back. So again, everything turned out really nicely, I believe. Everything is going to fill in and look lush. And again, I'll be sure to give you guys updates on this area as it fills in. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. Thanks for subscribing, liking, watching, commenting, and sharing. Remember, in all things, give thanks, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care and have a great day, guys.